Today at Rev'd Garage, we help Brickrod Garage get this 1977 C20 picked up, loaded up, and brought to his house. Alright, so here we are. We're picking up a 77 Chevrolet C20 with a Brickrod Garage. And got the old tractor out here. I'm gonna pull her up in there. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
What do you think, honey?
It's what? A truck! It's a truck! So I was right, wasn't I? It's a truck! So Daddy, I was right, wasn't I? It's a truck! I was right the whole time, wasn't I?
What do you
It's a
think,
truck!
buddy?
Honey! I was right! Honey! Wasn't I?
Yeah.
That's what that noise
David, you got vice grips.
No.
You got some vice. That it's on your brake line here.
Oh, that's...
You have vice grip on the brake line, on your rubber brake line.
That's awesome. Free tools.
still filming?
Of course I'm still filming.
Okay. Of course not. So it's semi-run?
What is this? What is this?
Allegedly runs.
Yeah, I remember seeing the pictures.
Oh, Lord, come on.
Okay, we should be good.
Ready?
Yep. Nothing? Still nothing?
Gauges are coming to light.
Huh. Starter must not be hooked up.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, it's not clicking or anything. And it should be, it's giving you a full 12 volts right now
Yeah.
at 450 amps, so. Yeah, nothing. All right. Well, that was uneventful. Okay.
The lights on the dash came on.
Well, that only can mean is the starter. We just need to follow. Gosh, actually, this positive wire, it's wrapped around the fuel. Oh, that's horrible. It's wrapped around the fuel pump here. Your manual fuel
Oh,
pump.
that's fantastic.
It's wrapped around there. It may or may not be hooked up to the starter right now. So yeah, we're gonna have to get this thing. I'd rather have it over there.
Yeah.
Because it slopes down. This because you're gonna have to jack it up to get up underneath it and do some stuff.
Yeah.
I'd have to use it like climb it over the ground or something just to
Top sink.
yeah. Anyway, well that was uneventful.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm really down. Like the more I'm looking, like, did it actually run?
But you're gonna need to heat a lot because you have AC, full-time AC.
Yeah.
It's not a bad. I mean, it's not horrible.
No.
I've seen way worse. I mean, for $500, it's not bad. I mean, it's not. It's gonna be some work.
It'll be an adventure.
Got a little washer fluid.
Hey, every little bit counts at this point.
All right, so that's it for this episode of Rev'd Garage. Thanks for joining in. Thank you, Brickrod Garage, for letting us be a part of this adventure. Your adventure starts now with parts bin this 1977 C20. I can't wait to see what's going to happen and the progress that's going to come along with this thing. And I just thank you for letting me be a part of it. If you're not watching and subscribed to Brickrod Garage, go over there, check them out and all the awesome things that they have going on their YouTube channel. Go follow them on Instagram and see what's going on day to day with those guys. And thank you for watching our channel, Rev'd Garage. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Give us the thumbs up. Hit the bell to get notifications for new videos. And head over to revgarage.com and pick up a t-shirt, a hat, a coffee mug. Help us out as we are getting ready to go on Power Tour in our 1972 C20 called Verde Grande. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.